Do you want to change spots and open this window?
No, I'm good.
Come on. Is this a joke, God? She's got the video going. Come on.
Oh, there it is.
Yep.
Thank you.
Whoa. Did you get that one?
Yeah, I did.
You were recording?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Good one.
It's freaking winter and oh my god, it's snowing. It's snowing and raining. So it's like sleet.
Yeah. And there's a thunder lightning storm.
In winter.
Oh wow, is it raining out? Look at that light over there.
Yeah, I know. Tanner.
Oh my god, it's coming down. Go. Let me open this up. We can hear it.
Yeah, then you can hear it more on here. Hey, can we switch spots? Then I can get it more. And I can post this up on YouTube from here, actually.
That is straight rain. It is gonna be a miserable mess out there.
Yeah, it is.
Can you zoom with that?
I believe so.
Keep the noise down and you'll like to sleep. Right? Whoa.
Whoa. I got that one.
I'm crying that it's cold.
Oh, I got that one too. I can't believe
Man, is it coming down out there? How's the show going?
really good. It's 3 minutes now. Oh, there goes a plow. So we get a snowstorm and a thunderstorm in one day.